What do you take to the beach?
I take sunscreen, towels, and snacks.
How do you travel to the beach?
I travel by car or bus with friends.
What do you wear to the beach?
I wear swimwear, sunglasses, and a hat.
How do you protect your skin at the beach?
I apply sunscreen before going out.
What do you do first at the beach?
I spread a towel and relax in the sun.
How do you enjoy the water?
I swim and play in the waves.
How do you build sandcastles?
I use wet sand and buckets to shape them.
What snacks do you eat at the beach?
I eat fruits, sandwiches, and chips.
How do you stay safe in the water?
I swim near lifeguards and follow safety rules.
What games do you play on the beach?
I play volleyball, frisbee, and beach football.
How do you relax at the beach?
I lie on a towel and listen to the waves.
How do you enjoy the sunset at the beach?
I sit on the sand and watch the sky change colors.
How do you keep your belongings safe?
I keep them in a waterproof bag.
How do you keep the beach clean?
I throw trash in bins and avoid littering.
How do you have fun with friends?
We play games and swim together.
How do you enjoy the breeze?
I walk along the shore and feel the wind.
How do you take pictures at the beach?
I capture waves, sunsets, and friends playing.
How do you enjoy the sun safely?
I wear a hat and stay under an umbrella.
How do you collect seashells?
I walk along the shore and pick unique shells.
How do you relax after swimming?
I dry off and sit on a towel with a drink.
How do you enjoy music at the beach?
I use a portable speaker and play my favorite songs.
How do you spend the afternoon at the beach?
I swim, play games, and sunbathe.
How do you prepare for the beach?
I pack towels, sunscreen, and snacks the night before.
How do you enjoy water sports?
I try surfing, kayaking, or paddleboarding.
How do you stay cool in hot weather?
I swim and drink plenty of water.
How do you enjoy beach walks?
I walk along the shoreline and enjoy the view.
How do you make sandcastles big?
I use buckets and wet sand to stack layers.
How do you enjoy the waves?
I jump and splash in the waves.
How do you protect your eyes?
I wear sunglasses with UV protection.
How do you enjoy beach picnics?
I spread a blanket and eat sandwiches and fruits.
How do you relax under the sun?
I sit under an umbrella and read a book.
How do you have fun with kids at the beach?
I build sandcastles and play beach games.
How do you enjoy seashell hunting?
I walk along the shore looking for colorful shells.
How do you enjoy swimming safely?
I stay close to the shore and avoid strong waves.
How do you enjoy watching the sunset?
I sit quietly and admire the sky colors.
How do you enjoy the sound of waves?
I close my eyes and listen to the ocean.
How do you enjoy water sports with friends?
We take turns and cheer for each other.
How do you stay hydrated?
I drink water and juice frequently.
How do you enjoy a beach barbecue?
I grill food and eat with friends and family.
How do you enjoy the sand?
I walk barefoot and feel it between my toes.
How do you take care of your belongings?
I use waterproof bags and keep them close.
How do you enjoy beach games?
I play volleyball, frisbee, and paddleball.
How do you enjoy beach sunsets with friends?
We sit together and take pictures.
How do you enjoy the fresh air?
I breathe deeply and walk along the shore.
How do you enjoy beach photography?
I take photos of the sea, sand, and friends.
How do you enjoy relaxing in the shade?
I sit under an umbrella or tree.
How do you enjoy your favorite beach drink?
I sip cold lemonade or juice slowly.
How do you enjoy the sand dunes?
I climb small dunes and slide down.
How do you enjoy collecting driftwood?
I pick interesting pieces and make small art.
How do you enjoy the sunrise at the beach?
I wake up early and watch the sky change.
How do you enjoy reading at the beach?
I sit on a towel and read a book calmly.
How do you enjoy taking a nap?
I lie under an umbrella and relax.
How do you enjoy beach fishing?
I cast a line and wait for fish to bite.
How do you enjoy the tides?
I watch the waves move in and out.
How do you enjoy exploring the shoreline?
I walk along the beach and look for shells.
How do you enjoy the cool sand?
I walk barefoot and feel it on my feet.
How do you enjoy paddleboarding?
I stand on the board and glide over the water.
How do you enjoy kayaking?
I paddle slowly and enjoy the water around me.
How do you enjoy surfing?
I ride the waves with balance and excitement.
How do you enjoy beach volleyball?
I serve, spike, and run with my friends.
How do you enjoy frisbee?
I throw and catch it while running on the sand.
How do you enjoy the smell of the ocean?
I breathe deeply and feel refreshed.
How do you enjoy seashell collecting?
I pick small shells and admire their shapes.
How do you enjoy watching crabs?
I watch them scuttle across the sand.
How do you enjoy the ocean view?
I sit quietly and look at the endless water.
How do you enjoy photography with friends?
We take selfies and group pictures.
How do you enjoy playing in tidal pools?
I look at small fish and sea creatures.
How do you enjoy the beach sunset colors?
I watch orange, pink, and purple lights in the sky.
How do you enjoy beach sand art?
I draw patterns and shapes in the sand.
How do you enjoy building sand castles with friends?
We compete to make the biggest castle.
How do you enjoy the first waves?
I jump and splash with excitement.
How do you enjoy wading in shallow water?
I walk slowly and feel the cool water on my feet.
How do you enjoy the wind?
I feel it on my face and hair.
How do you enjoy a picnic on the beach?
I lay a blanket and share snacks with friends.
How do you enjoy swimming in deep water?
I stay close to friends and move carefully.
How do you enjoy beach running?
I run along the shore to feel energized.
How do you enjoy taking selfies?
I capture moments with friends and the ocean.
How do you enjoy beach yoga?
I stretch on a towel while feeling the breeze.
How do you enjoy reading by the waves?
I sit quietly and listen to water while reading.
How do you enjoy beach games with kids?
I play tag and build sandcastles with them.
How do you enjoy collecting sea glass?
I pick small, shiny pieces from the sand.
How do you enjoy watching boats?
I watch them float on the water.
How do you enjoy swimming with friends?
We race and splash in the waves.
How do you enjoy sitting on a pier?
I watch the water and relax calmly.
How do you enjoy feeling the sun on your skin?
I lie on a towel and soak in the warmth.
How do you enjoy evening beach walks?
I walk slowly and watch the sky change colors.
How do you enjoy tasting local beach food?
I try fresh seafood and snacks from stalls.
How do you enjoy exploring rocks and tide pools?
I look for small crabs and sea creatures.
How do you enjoy swimming near the shore?
I splash and float safely.
How do you enjoy beach meditation?
I sit quietly and listen to the waves.
How do you enjoy drinking coconut water?
I sip slowly while feeling refreshed.
How do you enjoy night beach walks?
I walk along the shore under the moonlight.
How do you enjoy beach photography at sunset?
I capture colorful skies and reflections on water.
How do you enjoy making memories?
I laugh, take photos, and share moments.
How do you enjoy sandcastle competitions?
I build creatively with friends and have fun.
How do you enjoy collecting unique shells?
I pick them carefully and admire patterns.
How do you enjoy flying kites at the beach?
I run with the kite and watch it soar.
How do you enjoy splashing in waves?
I jump and run while laughing.
How do you enjoy watching the horizon?
I relax and feel peaceful looking at the ocean.
What makes a beach day perfect for you?
Swimming, sun, friends, and relaxing moments make it perfect.